Cats are known for their varied vocalizations, from the soft purring that signals contentment to the loud, insistent meowing that requests attention. One of the more charming and less understood sounds that some cats make is the trill. A trill, which sounds like a blend of a meow and a purr, is a vocalization that often confuses cat owners who may wonder why their cat uses this sound instead of meowing. Understanding why some cats trill instead of meowing involves exploring the underlying reasons behind this unique vocalization, including its evolutionary origins, social significance, and the specific needs or personality traits of the cat. The trill, often described as a chirp, is typically higher pitched than a regular meow. And it can sound like a cheerful, trilling whistle. While meowing is generally used by cats to communicate with humans, a trill serves a different purpose in the cat's vocal repertoire. It's important to note that not all cats trill, and this sound is often more common among certain breeds, such as Siamese and other Oriental breeds, which are known for their vocal nature. However, even among non-vocal breeds, some cats still trill occasionally. One of the primary reasons that some cats trill instead of meowing is that trilling is a more effective way to communicate in certain social situations. Unlike the meow, which is more of a demand or request, often directed at humans, the trill is typically a more pleasant and communicative sound that serves to engage other cats or their human companions in a friendly, non-threatening way. Trilling is often used as a greeting, a form of social interaction that signals warmth and affection. It's not as demanding as a meow and is less likely to evoke a response of, "What do you want?" It's a more pleasant, engaging sound that can be used to express joy, curiosity, or the desire for companionship. The trill is often used as a greeting when a cat approaches another cat, human, or even another animal. It can be a way for the cat to announce its presence without the assertiveness of a full-on meow. In multi-cat households or colonies, cats may trill to greet one another, signaling that they are approaching in a non-confrontational way. This form of communication can help to maintain harmony and reduce tension in the household by offering a sound that is friendly and non-aggressive. In addition to being a friendly greeting, the trill is also a way for cats to express excitement or enthusiasm. Cats may trill when they are excited about something, such as when they are playing, anticipating a meal, or engaging in other enjoyable activities. The trill serves as a vocalization of positive emotion, an expression of joy or delight. When cats trill during play or in response to new stimuli, they are communicating their happiness and contentment. This may be especially true for cats that are particularly social or playful, as they use this vocalization to maintain an upbeat, positive interaction with their humans or fellow cats. From an evolutionary perspective, the trill may have evolved as a way for cats to maintain social bonds. Unlike the solitary hunting behavior of wild cats, domesticated cats often live in environments where they interact regularly with humans and other animals. Trilling is less of an urgent or stressful vocalization and more of a sound that signals connection and social cohesion. It could be seen as an extension of the kitten's behavior toward its mother. Kittens often make chirping or trilling sounds to attract their mother's attention, and these sounds may have carried over into adulthood as a way of maintaining bonds with their human caregivers or other cats. The vocalization of a trill is also influenced by a cat's breed, temperament, and individual personality. Some cats are naturally more vocal than others. And certain breeds, such as Siamese or Burmese, are particularly known for their chatty nature. These breeds often trill more frequently than others, as trilling is an essential part of their communicative repertoire. The level of socialization a cat has experienced also plays a significant role in whether or not it trills. Cats that are raised in a stimulating environment with frequent interactions with humans and other animals are more likely to develop a variety of vocalizations, including trilling. In contrast, more solitary cats or those that have not been socialized may stick to meowing or even remain silent. A cat may also trill as a way to attract attention in a less demanding manner than a full meow. For example, a cat that trills may be acknowledging its human or another animal in the household, signaling that it is seeking interaction but not necessarily expecting something specific in return. This sound is often made when the cat is in close proximity to its human and is likely looking for affection, companionship, or engagement. Because the trill is often softer and more pleasant than a full-on meow, it serves as an effective and gentle way of signaling the desire for attention without being overly insistent. Trilling may also serve as a form of reassurance or comfort for cats that experience anxiety or are in unfamiliar situations. Similar to how a cat might purr when seeking comfort. Trilling can be a way for the cat to express its desire for reassurance or to maintain a sense of connection with its human companion. This is especially true for cats that may be more anxious or sensitive to changes in their environment. For these cats, trilling might act as a form of vocal comfort, signaling a need for reassurance and companionship, while meowing is generally used by cats to communicate with humans and to request something specific, such as food or attention. Trilling tends to be more about expressing feelings of contentment, joy, or a desire for connection. Trilling is less about seeking specific outcomes and more about maintaining positive, ongoing communication between the cat and its social group. In households with multiple pets, the trill can help maintain social harmony, allowing cats to communicate with each other in a way that is friendly and non-threatening. The trill also serves as an important part of a cat's social toolkit. It is less likely to be misunderstood as a demand compared to a meow, and it signals that the cat is content or friendly. When a cat trills, it can be a form of positive reinforcement in its relationships with humans and other pets, as it is a non-aggressive way of asking for companionship, engagement, or simply acknowledging the presence of others. For cats, the trill is not only a way to communicate with humans but also a way to stay connected with their environment. Ensuring that they maintain positive interactions with those around them. The reason why some cats trill instead of meowing is due to a combination of evolutionary development, social behaviors, and individual personality traits. The trill is a vocalization that evolved as a way for cats to communicate in a friendly, non-demanding way, particularly in social situations where they seek connection, reassurance, or simply want to express excitement or happiness. Unlike meowing, which is often used to request something from humans, trilling is more about maintaining positive social bonds and engaging in pleasant, harmonious interactions. Whether used as a greeting, a sign of excitement, or a way to express contentment, the trill is an endearing vocalization that showcases the cat's unique ability to communicate with its human companions and fellow felines in a meaningful way.